Welcome back to 91 Gearbox, the channel where power meets passion and every ride has a story. Today, we're diving into one of the most iconic machines ever built. A car that didn't just define an era but reshaped the soul of Porsche itself. This is the legendary Porsche 964, a car that continues to rule hearts more than 3 decades after it first hit the road. So buckle up, because what you're about to hear is the sound of pure mechanical perfection. The Porsche 964 arrived at a time when the world wondered if the 911 could survive the future. Porsche took the challenge personally and delivered something that blended timeless design with modern innovation. At first glance, the 964 looks unmistakably like a classic 911. Those familiar curves, that sloping roofline, and the signature round headlights. But beneath that retro charm lies a serious transformation. Over 85% of the car was new. Porsche didn't just upgrade the 911, they rebuilt it for a new generation. Under the rear decklid sits a masterpiece, the air-cooled 3.6-liter flat-six engine. This incredible motor pumps out around 247 horsepower in the Carrera variant, delivering that raw, emotional, unmistakable Porsche soundtrack. The 964 sounds alive, like it's breathing through every RPM, paired with a 5-speed manual or the Tiptronic automatic. The power delivery is smooth, responsive, and beautifully analog. This is a car that doesn't hold your hand. You feel every vibration, every gear shift, every inch of the road. And that's why enthusiasts call it one of the best drivers 911s ever built. But the 964 wasn't just about emotion. It was a technological leap. It introduced power steering, ABS brakes, and for the first time, Porsche offered an all-wheel drive system, and the Carrera for this made the 964 more stable, more confident, and more capable than any 911 before it. Yet even with these modern touches, it still held on to that pure, rear-engine spirit that makes Porsche, Porsche. And then there's the styling. Clean, classic, minimalistic, everything a 911 should be. The bumpers were redesigned to blend more smoothly into the body, giving the 960 for a sleek and timeless profile. Whether you're looking at a Carrera, a Turbo, or one of the ultra-rare RS variants, this car demands attention without even trying. It's elegant, aggressive, and unmistakably iconic. Owning a Porsche 964 isn't just owning a car. It's owning a piece of automotive history. It's a machine that bridges the gap between the old-school air-cooled era and the modern Porsche we know today. Every drive feels special. Every startup feels emotional. And every moment behind the wheel reminds you why the 964 remains one of the most beloved 911s ever created. Thanks for watching 91 Gearbox. If you love legendary cars like this, hit that like button, subscribe, and get ready for more automotive greatness coming your way.